Hey little starseeds, today we're going on a magical trip into the spirit world to learn all about karmic contracts and soul contracts. They're like special agreements your soul makes before you come down to Earth to play the human game. Imagine you're a bright, sparkly soul up in the sky school of the universe. Before you hop into a human body, you say, okay, what do I want to learn this time? Who do I want to meet? What adventures will help me grow? That's where your contracts come in. Karmic contracts are like promises your soul makes to fix, heal, or learn from things that happened before, maybe in another life. Sometimes we were a little mean, or got hurt badly. And that energy doesn't just disappear, so your soul says, next time, I'll meet that person again, but this time we'll do it better. So if someone is really tough in your life, they might be part of your karmic contract. They're helping you grow strong, kind, and wise, even if it feels hard sometimes. Now, soul contracts, or EU contracts, are even bigger. They're like your life blueprint. You choose your family, your friends, even where you're born, all to help you remember who you really are. Some people in your life are soulmates. They may teach you love. Others are your teachers in disguise, and some help you remember your mission. Maybe you're here to be a healer, a creator, a truth teller, or a bringer of light. Let's look at the kinds of contracts your soul might make. 1. Healing contracts. You and someone else agree to help each other feel whole again. I'll help you forgive. You'll help me speak my truth. 2. Mirror contracts. These people reflect what's inside you. Good or bad, they show you you. I'll be the mirror that helps you grow. 3. Challenge contracts. Oof, these are toughies, but they're your greatest teachers. We'll hurt each other, but it will wake us up. 4. Support contracts. Soul family. The ones who always cheer for you, lifetime after lifetime. I'll find you again and we'll rise together. 5. Mission contracts. These are big ones. You and a group agree to come down and change the world. Let's light up the planet. Here's the magic. Nothing is set in stone. With love, breath, and awakening, you can rewrite your karmic contracts. You can upgrade your soul contracts. Every time you grow, you unlock new parts of your mission. So, if life feels tricky, or people confuse you, remember this. You are not being punished. You are just playing the greatest game ever made. The game of remembering who you are. You are love, you are light, and you're right on track. And your soul? It's cheering you on the whole way. Breathe, smile, you're exactly where you're meant to be.